Okay, today we're going to do a review of a 120 volt, 1.6 horsepower, 28 GPM water pump. Okay, this one's by Everbuilt. Again, 1.6 horsepower, 28 GPM flow rate. You can buy these anywhere from $50 to $100 at your local home improvement store or online. Here's the performance info. They have multiple uses. I used this to remove some water from a basement that had a leaking water heater at my customer's house. It worked pretty well. It claims to handle up to 1/8-inch solids. Plugs into a regular 120 volt outlet. Has a fairly long cord on it. And it comes with an owner's manual. But it's fairly self-explanatory how to use. You attach your pump or your PVC pipe to the output there. So that's 3/4 inch garden hose thread male. It's adapter, and then that's pipe thread there. Today for this demonstration, we'll hook it up to a garden hose. And then there's your input, or your suction. It's a nice handy size. So I'll go ahead and attach my garden hose like this. And simply screw it on. Make sure you got your rubber grommet underneath there between the couplings. And you're ready to go. So for this demonstration, I'm using a 5-gallon bucket of water. Let me plug it in. You can see we got a nice steady flow rate. Woo! I'm just obviously recirculating the water in this 5-gallon bucket. Plenty of force, plenty of flow. Great little water utility pump. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.